The human eye consists of trillions of cells that are perfectly aligned to capture and interpret visual signals. It is an amazingly complicated, interconnected system of approximately 40 individual subsystems. It is truly a masterpiece of intelligent design. The major components include the cornea, pupil, iris, lens, retina, and optic nerve. The eye receives light through these optical components that work together to focus and process the light. Here's a step-by-step explanation of how light travels through the eye. The cornea is the first portion of your eye that light passes through. It is a transparent dome-shaped structure that covers the front of the eye, which bends light as it enters. Next is the pupil. This is the opening in the center of the iris that controls the amount of light entering the eye. The iris is the colored part of your eye that regulates the size of the pupil. The lens is a clear, flexible structure that focuses light onto the retina. Between your lens and the retina is a clear, gelatinous substance that fills the interior of the eye known as vitreous fluid. Now we come to the retina. This is the light-sensitive layer of eye tissue, at the back of the eye, that receives focused light. The primary light sensors in the retina are the photoreceptor cells known as rods and cones. There are approximately 90 million rod cells that are highly sensitive and are optimized for low light and black and white vision. The 6 to 7 million cone cells enable us to see colors. The retina can be thought of as equivalent to the light sensor in a digital camera. The rods and cones act like individual pixels in a digital display. By way of comparison, the human eye exhibits amazing superiority over the most sophisticated cameras. It can distinguish about 10 million colors. The optic nerve is a bundle of approximately 1.2 billion nerve fibers that transmits electrical signals from the retina to the brain. Then the brain turns the signals into the images you see. The eye, optic nerve, and visual cortex of your brain are separate and distinct subsystems that work together to enable us to see our world. Together, they capture, deliver, and interpret up to 1.5 million pulse messages per millisecond. To even approach such a level of performance of this magnitude would take dozens of supercomputers, programmed perfectly and operating flawlessly and concurrently. Described as one of the most complex organs in the body, the eye is so precise and orderly that it had to be created by an intelligence that knows exactly what comes before and after. Its parts are so connected and dependent on each other that the individual parts could not have evolved in isolation. The possibility of all this complexity happening by chance or evolution is statistically improbable. Proverbs chapter 20 and verse 12 say, "The hearing ear and the seeing eye, the Lord hath made even both of them."